Good morning and welcome to Max Toy. Today we have a story for you. Basically it's about a gentleman who keeps dreaming about making love to his best mate's wife. Okay, let's take it from the top. Dear Max Toy, I keep dreaming about making love to my best mate's wife. Dreams about my best mate's wife are making me want an affair with her. I keep dreaming that I'm making love to her and wake up feeling aroused. I think my dreams are telling me we should be together. I'm early 30s and my best mate is earlier 30s. He's been married to his wife who's late 20s for 3 years. Although I'd never usually make a move on a mate's other half, I think my dreams are telling me we should be together. She is very attractive with long dark hair and brown eyes. Now when I see her, I feel very attracted to her and want to ask her out. I know she likes me as a friend, although I'm not sure if she feels the same. My mate cheated on his wife while they were dating, so I don't feel guilty about the idea of this. Have you got any advice? Okay. Well, yeah. Let's take it from the top though again, and just let's go over it bit by bit and explain my thought process with regards to giving you this advice you're about to receive. Okay, so you keep dreaming about her and stuff, yeah, but that's fine. It's what it is. Sometimes these things happen. The lads are both in your early 30s and she's in her late 20s, so you're out of the stud everything phase from 20 to 30 roughly. So you should have a bit more self-control in this. She's been married to her for 3 years, so basically, okay, so they're at a stage in their life where they want to settle down. They want obviously a family. So are there kids involved here? Are there children? Are they got 1, 2 children? That you, by doing anything about these feelings, you could be breaking up a family. It's worth considering if that's the situation. It's not worth doing, I don't think. Well, I would never usually make a move on my mate's other half. I think my dreams are telling me we should be together. Okay, 2 things there. You'd never usually make a move on my mate's other half. Okay, brilliant. Don't then. Maintain your moral compass, sir. Don't do it. As simple as that. I don't think you should. Don't think you should commit to any sort of problems for your mate's relationship with his wife. I think my dreams are telling me we should be together. Okay, that's not happening. That's not happening. Dreams are an overactive imagination which has gone to sleep and is basically still producing these thought processes of what you're thinking, what you're feeling while you're awake, and they're amplified in your dreams because everything else is at rest. So it's just your mind working away. With that being said, that is not something that you should act upon, a dream. You should not take instruction from your dreams. They are not for instruction whatsoever. They're just dreams. That's all they are. Nothing else. Never act upon them and never take instruction for your life achievements, goals, whatever, aspirations. Don't take instruction from your dreams for stuff like that. And especially don't take instruction from them for this scenario. She's very attractive with long dark hair and brown eyes. Okay, yeah, I'm sure she is because obviously your mate married her and you find her attractive as well. So there you go. Now when I see her, I feel very attracted to her and want to ask her out. Okay, well, you can't do that, can you? You can't ask her out because that would be, if she was in a position to be asked out, that would state that she's single. Yeah? She's not single, mate. She's taken. So she's not in a position to be asked out. The best you could hope for is a proposition to her, which is basically stating that you would like to have an affair with her, which means that you are proposing that she cheats on her husband, who just happens to be, and was it best mate? Yeah, your best mate, your best friend. You are proposing she cheats on her husband of 3 years with you, who just happens to be your best friend. That's not good, man. It doesn't look good. It doesn't sound good. When I say it, it's just not good all round, you know. And if she was ever to turn around and go, yeah, fine, let's do it. Your conscience will never be clear. You ruin your conscience. You'll ruin your friendship. And if she turns around and rejects you, your friendship is toast, pal. You're done. Simple as that. It's not worth it. I know she likes me as a friend, although I'm not sure she feels the same. She probably doesn't. Friendship-wise, she's probably just being decent towards you because you're the best mate of her husband. You know, that's part of being a good wife, is not tolerating, but trying to get on with the friends, and especially the best friend of the partner, the husband. You know, and vice versa with the husband for the wife. You know, and the fact of the matter is, when you have a friend who gets into a relationship or gets married, you should never see that other equation, the other partner, the other piece of the couple. You should never see them as the friend. You've got your friend. Your friend is your best mate. That's your friend. When they find someone, get married or find a girlfriend or boyfriend or whatever, that person should be treated as an acquaintance, not a friend. Because you have your friend in this scenario already. You listen to their thoughts. They confide in you. They tell you their secrets. Sometimes there's rocky moments in a marriage or in a relationship, and they confide in you about that. They bring that to your table to discuss with you, to get it off their chest. You can't properly take the side of both of these parties and sort of keep it all to yourself. Does that make sense? That's why it's best to just keep her as an acquaintance, not a friend. Don't see her as a friend, see her as an acquaintance. Yeah? You have the friend in that scenario already. You need to maintain that friendship. My mate cheated on his wife while they were dating, so I don't feel guilty about the idea of this. Okay, so that's a problem in their relationship, which is between them. It's not for you to basically get involved with it. It's not up to you to interfere, would be the appropriate word. That's something between them, and something that should be discussed between them. If it was to ever be brought to light, or she was to discover it, or whatever. And also, it makes me a bit uncomfortable while you've brought this up at the end of the email, because basically what you've said here, my interpretation, please tell me if I'm wrong, but I'll read it again. My mate cheated on his wife while they were dating, so I don't feel guilty about the idea of this. So are you trying to say that you have this information, like, in your pocket, that he has already cheated on her, so you're prepared to use this as leverage to basically get the woman? Does that make sense? So basically, that's the impression I'm getting from that sentence, is you know about the cheating, therefore you are prepared to use it as leverage to sway her to sleep with you or be with you or whatever. That's a bad friend, man. Because I assume he's confided in you about this, and now you're going to use it as a weapon. That's not appropriate. That's not right. I don't think you should be doing that. Yeah, that's pretty bad. to even put that. If that's the intention behind it, yeah, I think you need to do a bit of soul searching of what type of human being you want to be. You know, if you want to be a decent person, or if you just want to be an opportunist and take advantage of that, that's not good. But yeah, so in all seriousness, my advice to you is just find another woman. There's plenty of women in the world. Plenty. You don't need this one woman. There's plenty of attractive, intelligent, funny, interesting women in the world for you to meet and build something with. Don't do this. Don't do this. And take yourself away from this as well. Take a step back. Don't be friendly don't friendly, be friendly, but don't be as friendly with her. So because then in time the feelings might just pass. Yeah. Find another bird, man. Find there's plenty of women. You don't need this one. Like I said, they're married, she's taken, it's a done deal. It's done, mate. You're gonna have to find your own girlfriend to eventually marry if that's what you're looking for. So yeah, that would be my advice. Don't do this. Go find your own girlfriend. Meet another woman. Plenty of them about. Be a good friend to your mate. Don't say anything about the cheating. That's up to him to deal with that at his discretion, as and when he feels like it. If his conscience gets too much, maybe he'll bring it up. If they've got family, he probably won't, because he's thinking of the children, and then possibly losing mum and dad together. There's a lot of variables there to take in consideration. I don't have enough information to go on it really, but yeah, don't do this. Don't do this. It won't end good. It won't end good. Yeah, and you'd probably lose your best friend, which would be an awful shame. MaxToyConsulting.com for any other advice. Please ask the questions. Ciao, Bella.